Hello everybody, this is Leo at the Lead Time. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a sanitizer wipes by using the household stuff. So first we begin with making our sanitizing alcohol. You can watch my last video about how to make it with vodka. Uh, just answer some questions um, given by my audience. I was using lavender hydrosol to dilute the vodka. The reason is because alcohol, when you use it, you will feel the skin become dry. Um, so I use hydrosol, so it help moisture the skin better than distilled water. Okay, so I make my batch of the about 65% alcohol, and then today I'm going to use three different material. You can easily find in your house. The first one is a kitchen towel. The second one is the Swiffer swiping cloths, and the last one is toilet paper. So I'm going to show you right away. So I'm starting with the Swiffer swiping cloths. This one is called a non-woven cloth. So it's very strong, not easier to tear. What you want to do is cut into four pieces, cut in the middle, and then cut here. So you can make a size like this. This is a perfect size as a wipes. What you can do is you just, so one piece go into a four piece, and then pour the alcohol on it, and just let it soak all of them, and make sure every piece have saturated with alcohol, and don't waste any alcohol. So after you finish, then you just layer them and put in a zip bag. Put in a zip bag like this, and then you zip it. So now you're good to go. So you can take it with you when you go outside, like after shopping or anything. You can clean the shopping car or your car, you know. So this is the first one. The second one, I'm going to show you by using kitchen towel. So kitchen towel, I use like a half size roll. The same thing, it just cut in the middle. So that make like about the same size, a little bit bigger than the last one. So like this, or you can even cut them a little bit smaller. It depends on what you want. The same process, you pour the alcohol on the paper, on the towel, and soak all of them. And then, so before you, if you use like a large size, like what I did, just fold it first, and then fold the second one. And now you can put in the zip bag. Now like this. So the last one, we can use toilet paper. I use the Garmin. Garmin is thicker, so thicker is better to have a stronger, so it's not easy to tear. And then just use two pieces and a fold, and then make one piece like this. And this, the good thing is you see the three things about the same size. Now just soak it with alcohol. All of them very good sucking the alcohol. So just to make sure you everywhere is saturated, but don't waste it. So now you can put in the zip bag. So these are the three the wipes I made. This one is a wiper, this one is a kitchen towel, and this one is toilet paper. So personally, I think this is the best, the wiper, because this is made by the non-woven cloth, is the strongest. If you don't have that, then the kitchen towel is the second best, because it's thicker and stronger. And the last option is the toilet paper. But you can use any of them. So I just show you, I'm wiping my table like this. See, of course, this is very strong, so it doesn't break. And the second one, I'm going to try the kitchen towel. So you can see it's still pretty strong. And the last one, I'm gonna show you the toilet paper. So just a little bit, I don't want to stretch too much. You see that's kind of breaking, but doesn't matter, you can still use it. You can see the table, there's no kind of the lint fall off, and even clean your hand, you can still use it a little bit, not too much. So the other rule is when you make this hand sanitizer or sanitizer wipes, you just make and then use it. You don't store it for longer time. So it can save you the alcohol and also make the best use of these wipes. So today I show you how to make a DIY sanitizer wipes by using these three household stuff. So this the wipes is the best because it's very strong, and the kitchen towel is the second. You can use a couple times. The toilet paper is a list for just a single use. If you like the channel, subscribe it, and give us a like. I'll keep posting new videos. See you next time.